Taking the thermostat off the wall, we opened it. I'm gonna unscrew. Usually it's 2 screws holding it to the wall. One more screw. Thermostat is disconnected. The second thing I would do is disconnect. Now that I have written all the terminals and colors, or you can also take a picture of it so you can see where the yellow wire is going, in this case to Y, it's color code. The orange wire is going to O terminal. The G wire, the green wire is going to G terminal. The red wire is going to R terminal. The C terminal is usually a blue wire. And W2 is white. I'm gonna disconnect all this wiring one by one. Just making sure you don't lose the wire into the wall.